turn on the beams first. Press the on-off button 3 times. Makes beams align with each other. If work properly, the beams has the beep prompt. Power on the receiver and press and hold the select button. Release button will indicate light. Okay, now we can check the beams. The first beam. Beam prompt, and then we press the arm key of the remote. Okay. That means the first beams has connect to the zone 1, and press and hold the select button again in the zone 2. And we check the second button, beams. Okay. Same. And press the select button to choose the zone 3, and you can check the third beams, and press and hold the select in zone 4, and choose the fourth, and back to power. For example, check the first beams. And the second.